Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to tone your 613 hair, as well as how to add some dark roots. So here I'm going to be using the watercolor method and a purple shampoo. The water doesn't need to be hot. The brand of purple shampoo I'm using is the Shimmer Light. So I just add a generous amount into the water and mix it thoroughly. You just kind of want to dip the hair into the water and check on it to take it out and put it back into the water occasionally. In total, I did this process for 2 minutes, but be sure to check your hair and you would see when it starts to change color, because you want it to be a platinum blonde, and basically the goal is to get rid of all the yellow shade that is in 613 hair. So here I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like when it's all dried. This hair, by the way, is from Mazic Beauty. I'm gonna leave the link to the website down in the description box. To add my dark roots, I'm using this light ash brown, and I am also using a 20 volume developer. I ended up putting too much of this hair light ash brown color, but I'll show you guys when I'm done what was left. So you basically, because it's a closure, right, you don't need so much dye, but be sure to use a little bit. But if you're using a frontal, you will need more. So you just want to mix it thoroughly, and this is kind of what it's looking like.
Shorty make a grown man cry. You say that you love me, but we know not lie. Always dropping keys on you, love my guy. 247 you did.
So to do the coloring, I just got a pin to put it aside to hold it in place while I do it, and I basically worked in sections here. And I wasn't putting too much because I only wanted very little dark roots, so I would just lightly put it on the hair, and then I would section it and put it on the hair. You guys will see what I mean in a second, but you just want to basically apply a little bit onto the roots and then section it and do the same thing all over again.
My mind, for my mind, I know feel like it's in for your back, that's in that. I'd be nice guy, but not from Shanghai. No be Davido, but you blow my mind, blow my mind. You can't make a grown man cry. You can't make a grown man cry. This can't make a grown man cry. You can't make a grown man cry.
By the day is when I roll is on the first is on the cake. One is done they like because they done the same.
I finished applying the hair color onto the roots. I left this to sit for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I conditioned the hair.
Obrigado, filho da bunda.
So this is what is left of the mixture. So I told you guys I had excess of that. And here I'm just, after the hair is all dried, I'm going to be using a moisturizer and my Iron Silk drops to apply it onto the hair. I kind of like to use the Iron Silk drops as like a heat protectant. And I started off with curling the hair, but then I wasn't really feeling the curls. So I switched over to getting a bone straight look. And I was feeling this one much better. I have a more in-depth tutorial on how to straighten your hair from start to finish. I'll link that in the description box down below.
Make I tell you one story about my lady, hang out on a daily, tell you one story, she drive me crazy, wanna have my baby,
This is what the hair looks like when it's all dried, and I did straighten it, bone straight. So
you wanna know, oh no, wanna call my condo, say make I give her the condo, no.
So the hair is so soft, you guys can see it's like really good quality. So I'm going to be doing a lot more hair coloring videos. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends, and also comment down below what color you want to see next. I'm thinking pink, but I already did pink.
Ash blue.
There's no such color like ash blue. Don't think. So yeah, comment down below what color you guys want to see next, and I'll be sure to give you guys just that. Follow my business page on Instagram to see more hair tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Everybody know me for the gold.